asamo arehosem kese abeta se obi ene neire omatimi asie akola omoama wo no because prophetess be a patress akola we die ensuo ba ntino enya de a was so money netina omunja no kwan kofiaje asomdwen kan why yeah, that's it. I was here for 28 minutes after 7. But in a related development, I'm say your copy person adwa. The story I can want some updates be one of the papers.
Publisher.
Okay, the new publisher today.
The new publisher no kwata fire. It's also at 9. Or say court remands dad who buried son alive.
Oh, okay.
Next papa no. Let them go to am na go so put on the picture.
I'm so big. I'm so Mohammed no. Yeah.
Na opanyini you didn't the Paul Adoba. You don't know about him and say oko. Free 30th. Hey. When the first one them were reporters at 31st August.
Yeah.
2021. Na na yire no. Ane sofu ba no se we krofasa so we sofu. Omo de tete say de omo tupia fajan. Ya mpanifo hwom baby a won hu won. It is a latest development no but I was say akoda no na mu no e wa Our Lady of Grace Hospital mortuary here no what Bremai Sikuma. Yeah, open a crab brand because it looks like Sanema we no. Usually a see by na say si kronkuma nim.
Yeah.
It takes journalists to say Kofi
J no timi
akoyaba. No such information about. I remember some time back there was this woman. First who go with my album.
Yeah.
No baby, the band de Vera. It's a kwano about 13 years.
Okay.
But we are from so baby about a doctor for dear. Or a special child.
Be a can you buy no extra saying.
I don't know. What was say cerebral palsy.
Okay, how many from you
buy? Say one so because free no is show mutrim. Now sister me can sembi. Was me bay now granda was me bay me one ho fe. E ho fe. O ni no odane. Na obi ka kire me o so yesu me nkoja no. Na ma nkoja na say no 12 years. Okas on kasa no kwado otimi nante. Na sam kran so hu omo moto no ma nantu pa ne redi ekita wo mo no.
Wow.
Now say boy be the trend or sa or the fu or sa no akoto some guy be in the video trend power social media sa for the biasem na make you get to say who baby sa no a I would advise send church ne nkwa abonten mpenifo mian church ni mu enka no na owo akra na sebi wodi dem kra na itimi ka se kotoro kire ne ade ba ne no ebebo mpenifo abaso sa school for the blind and deaf and dumb for nyina school aba ama se wo ba kwa na sebi wonti ase asemu a ultimately dey ko kan nua no mo ho it's a complete environment on feeling odd
sa
would be finding go school be as get it ho no kwadi ayesa akwada wo akra no ntimi fane to ntrase no about chene no was no kwata classroom wa ha no fane ko musical school o ko hia sa na nwom to e horrible so be fit perfectly
asemo
eti about and the say ya but yes obe wo ba obia susu se nka wo a acha afide na akora na nante sabi anya bia betimi na ko school de kai bi na eja wonso atimi akwa adwuma because Ghana has obi anu adaje
asemo
afuom kra na wo kwa nye de bia na betimi do ba se akira kwa afuom ti akoye mfie mienu mfie miensa mfie nan no onante won tenants won kasa ya eya homete na so hunu se de Nyankopon de ma wo no
some
dear Yame at the ma no. You get it. Obiana the mantle, our brabum. Ebi dear sabi been previous our the phone. Obi dear just one be never be made, will could jump or one a back of my BBS, so still be manufacturing everyone. Obi be press wide, my papa won't be yet. Messi, we say you will go on our car, who be done woo.
There are some more.
What does modern Ghana? Obi who card and woo. Obi fruit plain than woo. Obi chica than woo. Sasu obi won dan wawu obi nwareda ye nyina ye destiny ne nyepe ebi na mpema
ebi so nyama na bro
so imagine santa bi ona mkwa na hebe bia omo essentials kai ebi a uche so roll glass down utimi hwa sa na wura ho hwe ka bia wudam ene wo hwa ha ya sabia no do wakọ ebi timi tukwa free Ghana kwa ama na ne ko horo ma wudie mu keke
ya asemo
obi kra ko me to ne yam no oda fa ko 8 months na say but you drew kwa ho a obi de nsia bi bɔ na chi bi bɔ ne kɔ ho ebi kura nam ka ho srade ono kronya scan to aduane man kwada ne ni so nyame de ache no eti Nyankopɔn che ye wo de no e ba ne se na sabi umo bi dada wo sa akora na nyamfie mienu onantinti no yenkogya no okogya ne sen
asamo
no David okogya na mahwan okogya na to he. That means the bottom line is moko ku akora no, right? And even if your fans are okosra akora was sensu ni hompa, the child was given to you spiritually.
Sir,
it is awful so be jana jana humu. Sabi impredua sa wontu amana emfa akoda tum enka anwen hu so. In fact, are they really parents? Omo ya ba tan de. Se me ba akoda wa wo no. Wa da bi o na anya bia no. Me hu de men campo. Na what to me atutu amana. Eja. Ye be di Father's Day o.
Na debut
atutu amana. Na de ya resa sa amada ya ye ka ye di Mother's Day behwe. Ne kente ye twifom. Ogina sore dem. Ena ya ba tan nyina da e me bekom no e me ko pani.
No, adwa enti no se papa no na eni abadaye. Ena otutu fom. Sa akola ye mfa ne shanti maami awo akola ne bowo bono. Wa wo kwa wo so akola ne bowo bono. Wo so wugina amna ne ho. Hwese ye ntutu na akola ne ye mfa ne ntum.
Na papa na je no na shim. Aka no ye gudu so akofi akonda. Because obi atufu se kojano there you. The kojano no ojano say how like ojana mahwan.
There binti prophetess no ka asem no. Nti owie ya ade ne ho kan wura no meba o. Sa ade ne efie rade a.
Na sa maame na mu ko.
Eye den na ade ho kan wura.
On say kwasi sometimes you na me blaming crofobia kwaji afutu from ho. Sometimes I don't blame them. Even though na ode wo hawako. E no nu atufo. But for you to implement self-futu no the amount lies with you.
But you ni pay.
You get my point. My boy was a kwasi. Say na yeme.
Yeah.
What to me fusa adoa. If you know you say what can. But me ask me be dana me kire ho a. Me tibua no. At least my conscience tell me something.
Yeah.
And yes obi kan ya na wo ye.
Okoye.
Etimpo o say ye di gidia asem krofo bi mu ma. You know, me suffer naka. Me suffer ma me naka.
When you can the one no, full stop.
Me suffer say. Now we are jane. Who be a jane?
Asamo.
No, and this is so sad man is who. And these things are really happening in Krokuman.
Oh, I see.
Yes, it's on your senior pine.
I see.
Ghana for you move beyond. You move beauty a cheer. Imagine me for say mammy call by ye. And the pair try to share in I own yashi. The Yamadia Mauno. Cremusa. Every crowd will become because and Cromwell as a cerebral palsy no. Who was school ha. Young Fancotum. Now one toe.
Yeah.
And so community now a woman no.
Mokrana Charlie.
And then it's super anti wahoo. And make us as I want to worry Jana as I call fire quite any woo. And Obeji will be kunu. We all have issues. And she jai near Huron Crawford, dear. Yes, sense. I don't know who will be now will be the pressure. He sees nothing wrong with it. I see nothing wrong with it either.
Well, tune for Bonnie.
You get my point.
Our year not to our Bonnie. Meanwhile, or not to the one. But the only but on your bed two before. Say wo and na wo kwa tiantia no
no do for kranwa wa kira sem wo tia say wo ti wo tia sem wa
asem o
you be in the same vicinity woman ne wo two I want a third born anka the maya 3 no
yeah
and a second born the free and the car first
and the third
no and about 2 years was our third next, which would have been the fourth.
The fourth, okay.
Fourth born and a third now. Since no,
second, on a film.
And the car first and fourth. And who feed born and a fourth no.
A film. That's all will be at your dear name the film.
Hey, now mammy, the young guy or mammy, because the first born, your friend of Eddie or Mena, your friend of Mena mammy. Oh, Kumasi a chum. And I could feel this woman's pain.
I'm on for crowd the baby better.
Now me tell me, mammy, Busa, be say, oh, now what's your man? Now day when I do a tefakuna, what tefakuna, Fibia, Usioba. Now, and I was so shocked.
Be Canada pa. Be can the ni mu nyina be ka to no so.
And finally, o me na panyin no no be 13 no control BC. On the father nam chure nkwa ho. Ekoto no ko a buying school.
Yeah.
Also we are of the belief says no ko private. But kwaro control BC wa buying school la.
Okay.
Yeah, na normally great no to me enya we bi. Na kwaro so nimade. Na ne father chade wa buying school no so no. Aka 1 year to the final year de meji na ba aban no be wie wa buying school. Omo kokroma koto awana. Omo kokroma koto school uniform. Me sure na parliament who message on my phone so. Papa na say I lost my daughter and I'm say
how?
The daughter.
No.
Minute is gone. I'm say Jesus Christ. Omo na tray kwa ho akwa de da from bim. Okoto uniform ama ne ba. Say so obi o ma wunu mo ba ka ba ko pe. And see this woman and this man going through this. Na society.
Just nsema nkrofo be kan for mo ho no.
Society.
So many anya de omo ntintim anso mo gidiem obenu medrew obeko ho and then
it's about time aye nyina ti asese abrabo no obia ne destiny obi be wunum enum ni nyina benyini abesi omo maame aye edihia omo maame obi be wunum obetime sie ne manum ni nyina ansa no no awu
eno nkyere so ye beifo ye mfanka ho eno nkyere sa
obia ne destiny obia ne se na abrabote obi aware mi ense ja ne fourth marriage na ye papa
sanity
obi so at the fourth form hu yanko na first one
oh yeah
it me when I meet those motivational speakers apart from the fact say obetumi for say adwo akokọ wanim ne be ye no so obi ka kire me say ena me ye we amoa me ntime enye no onya wo na be kire me de
of course I mean
na me ye wo abrabo
na bia me ka say
na wo kai say wo ye na bia na bibi so senten a wo nka kire
na bia me ka say adwo aya na counseling no mo de maye na wo ko ware counseling
oh na say
ya wo experience a wo fa mu no na wo de counseling esono me so me experience and you know yes serve as a guide exactly so bank so you understand
so if you tell me say ukunu kwana say ocha
na just we be say na
koso it is kuna kwa adwuma no na mkwa so be fie na HR afre no asako adwuma no acha automatically so ma me say na no ni kunu che
enti no ogobo adwaman enti ni ya dikan ya hwewutrim enti aware na wo kɔ no kra na hwewutrim say me kunu chepe buei na just bibi koso
yesi aware de kokofuo oh yakwate so enti so okɔ na hwe no kokko na katia siso antem na no afa ba na afa ba bi atena you get my point. It is society no say wo musuban. This is why I agree with some people when we say fix yourself. This is for once a honest half part in there.
Yeah.
Because me can on say no na me kontoko bi on Facebook and aka chem say me nya akon. Imagine. You get my point. See you fix your home. Obi a concentrate on the juma wo ye. Obi a concentrate on the income eba. No be a manager said was spending the sika. Now obi a Bob Brown said there was what born will make sure say oh better our life. You wouldn't be having all these things happening. Me a family home by says well. None about our cerebral palsy. Empire na meba mano. Ade strede na mesere rade say o mano ye kodro honhom. Ebia me kora no a enka be buru me so. But you need people around you. But that time no you obi so asade so be ka tell say na wa wunum unja wo on the akofa aba. And wa
ajo yembo ne tofa ne enko pepese so ba yenka nche atiefo say in every situation a wonnam mu no eye dan a obi be ka bibia kire wo. But eya fatoto abrabo ho eso nipa na abrabo na so ho de fatoto ho na hwese futu a nipa edi amami ebeboa me ana ansana wo de tu ana mo na wan hwe na akodi akire de obi abeka bia na odi akire a later no omo akra na betwa omo ho asere wo ajo ato asema me name of mention is say Vodafone good morning offer no egoso a Vodafone say good morning Ghana fo nyina e say ye chemo 500 megabyte data free Vodafone to Vodafone calls there will be yes and a Vodafone asia chew 5 minutes talk time from Vodafone to any other network. Abusia we just one Ghana cedi per 1 Ghana cedi per and one is a be dial 543 and I say *543# now afi with them are connected to Vodafone good morning Ghana and she said kakra home Puma drink a whole new vibe Puma drink drink papa in fact Puma drink ekoye more de Puma drink and one now here sabre na wo call lunch no odidi wie ya no Puma drink open apple obenya flavor be na open ni nyina ebi wo ho Puma drink aye 1 cedi 50 pesos to 4 efa no 13 cedis per pack na mo so mo fa fit to 4 ho 15 cedis per pack Puma drink another quality product akasa prakodia ba on friend number we 0262 351 Adwa Bobby Suni on sorry so
quarter no aba and Republic Press.
Yeah.
Was it DSP Azugu? National Security SWAT team under investigation after brutal raid of 2 casinos in Asankrigwa. Sa story eno ayeboso. Said National Security for penny for bit ko pie mu Asanko casino game center bi. Omo kwache China for nsia. Ana omo gigi atuo ene a control board, excavator control board. Ene ne mebe no mususu se ye wi akade ahodo pi. Na posi sahene Munyamfo James upon Bono, Papa no pay me chia on show. Papa say, one more frasi on my investigation.
Yeah.
Because video never bonteno. Said an answer Rambo star and Sembi woman. It's a more yen 70 inch moon.
Okay.
Now not uncle for on so then someone to judge what you say. Sense and training ya dear. Nebi and Chay. Naso move Fredu Tian and Naso and Naso me some more tinenoa. Ya man said drop for Niadrin ya say. Will be infringing upon our press freedom.
Okay.
As a go for press freedom in Tisabi Predia, so did me. As I saw by microphone.
Now to work
will be and draw attention. If you are sometimes if you go overboard, send a message.
Yeah,
Hannah walk one day. I yatinatene. Watch us send him to the chia.
Sanity.
Yana, one of our way.
I don't mean
so
Shatawale. Fatu baby now, young Koyanim. Why?
John.
Yan sorry so.
Can you afford this, John? Atom Pem one of pay.
I don't have
any. I remember that conference.
Aye, Yaman Fanny Crazy.
And they will cool or Yawo. If you had a memenda near Podeniamias.
Matia Yanko CBG now for Yanko be a Flex Plus account, a hybrid account serving the purpose of current and savings. CBG, Obi Flex Plus account now benefits are Hodwana